Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply see playlist in YouTube. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, first of all, access your YouTube on your mobile phone. And here in the home section, this kind of interface gonna appear, right? If you would like to simply access your playlist, there are two ways for you to do so. First, simply going to and tap on any of videos of yours, and you can tap on this option of save, and now you can see your list. You can simply tap on this new playlist if you would like to create one. Other than that, you can simply go back, cross this out, go to your profile icon bottom right, and then here in this section you will find your profile settings, including this section which includes this option of playlists. Now tap on this view all, and there you go. You have all of the playlists that you have created, and you can also choose to create one by tapping on this create new playlist and add a video and tap on next, and you're good to go. That is how we can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.